Factor 3 term. First of all, you check is there easier to factor because the leading coefficient is 4. Last coefficient 45 is very difficult to guess. So you don't use trial and error method. And also the last term here, 45, is not perfect number. So that's definitely not perfect square trinomial. Plus this one negative. That one's perfect square trinomial will not work. So the only choice option left is 3-term grouping. Before do 3-term grouping, always check these 3 things. Is there any GCF coming out from here? 4, 8, 45. That's not possible for any GCF. This GCF already done. Descending order for the B square, B first, no B, that's a descending order for B. That's fine. And the last one, check the leading coefficient positive for the leading coefficient. So that's okay. You can go ahead to use grouping method. Grouping method use first term times the last term, the coefficient, including the sign here. So 4 times negative 45, you get use your calculator, negative 180. You put negative 180 in comma, and use the middle term coefficient 8 here. Put a line. You try 2 numbers. Their product is negative 180. Their sum is 8. So 180 obviously won't work. 2, 90 won't work. 3, 60, too far away. 4, still too far away. 4 will be 45. 5 will be 36. These are too far away. You cannot get 8, so never mind to sign here. 6 will be 30. Still too far. Next one, 8. 8 will be, 8 won't work. So let's use 9. 9 will be 20. That's getting closer, but still too far away. Next one, 10 and 18. Okay, this one should work. You can see that the 2 number, there gotta be first one positive, one negative in order to get a negative result. And the larger number gotta be positive. So that one positive here, negative here. If you multiply these 2 numbers, you get negative 180. The sum add up to 8. So this pair work. All the rest should fail, all fail. So next step, you break these 2 terms. Middle 2 term, negative 10 BC. Write out very, very carefully, including the variable here. Plus 18 BC. These are breaking into this. And the last term and first term, just copy that. And then we become 4-term grouping. It's guaranteed work because this already says so. So next, check GCF, factor GCF out of here. 2, 4, and 10 is 2. B squared BC, that should be B here. Use this monomial divided by this GCF. That should get you 2B. And then use this monomial divided by this GCF, negative 5C. Okay? Check that. Double check this. No more factor can be factored out. So that's should be at the second part. Okay? You don't need to struggle with this because it's guaranteed that work this way. Then you use this monomial divided by this first term. You should have a positive 9C here. To double check that, 9C times 2B, 18BC, 9C multiply negative 5C, get negative 45C squared. Perfect. Then the last step, group these 2 individual terms together and copy this parenthesis. And further check that, no more factor here. That's it.